Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Huawei Nova Y61 and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number of this device. So basically we've got two different ways to check those numbers. The first one requires a secret code and it is for sure much faster access, much faster option, much faster way than the access via the settings. But of course I'll show you both options. So let's begin with a secret code. We have to open the dialer as it is the place where we can enter it, and the code is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. So let me tap on OK and let me show you the second way by using the settings. It will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work. So let's go to the settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and find About Phone. And right now, as you can see here, we've got the IMEI number for both SIM slots. And in order to check the serial number, we have to look for it. And as you can see, the serial number is right here. So you have to enter the status, which is almost at the very bottom, at least in the very bottom section. And the serial number is here. So basically that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your Huawei Nova Y61. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.